Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Gmail inbox feels like it's drowning in Facebook notifications, event reminders, friend suggestions, random updates, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to disable those Facebook email notifications in just a few clicks. By the end, your inbox will finally be clean, clutter-free, and focused only on what really matters. So stick around, because this quick guide will save you a lot of scrolling and deleting. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. Once you're on the settings page, look to the left-hand menu and click on Notifications. This is where you can control every alert Facebook sends you. Now, scroll down until you find the email section. Go ahead and click on it. Here, Facebook gives you three options for how email notifications are sent. All notifications except the ones you unsubscribe from. This is usually the default, meaning Facebook sends almost everything. Important notifications about you or activity you've missed. Better than the first, but it can still clutter your inbox. Only notifications about your account, security, and privacy. This one is the gold standard. To keep your Gmail clean, I highly recommend choosing the third option. That way, Facebook will only email you about critical updates like login alerts, suspicious activity, or important account changes. Nothing else. Once you select it, you're done. From now on, your Gmail will only show the most essential Facebook messages, keeping your inbox much more organized. And that's it. Super simple, right? By making this one change, you take control of your digital space and cut down on the noise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Also, drop a comment if you want me to cover other tips for decluttering your online life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.